Be sure to watch the video to the end, as it explains how to set up shortcuts. Also, subscribe to the channel, be sure to like and comment. So, let's get started. If you're still reaching for the toolbar to change your brush size or select an eraser, you're wasting up to 40% of your time on each drawing. Industry professionals don't waste a second on this. In this video, I'll show you the essential shortcuts concept artists and illustrators use to draw twice as fast. No boring theory, just hands-on practice with this piece of art. First, we'll see the brush and eraser configured to familiar keys for more convenient drawing. We'll also add an eyedropper, color palette, and zoom in and out controls for the brush and eraser. Forget about using square brackets to change brush size, it's too long. And if you need to quickly erase something, switch to the eraser, which can also be increased or decreased using the W and S keys. Now I'll show you how artists use shortcuts. Instructions for setting them up will be at the end of the video.
Got me up on a late night, you steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much, I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Been down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You the one I don't second guess. Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when
Incorporate these shortcuts into your work for at least a week. It will feel unusual at first, but eventually your hand will automatically do it, freeing your brain for pure creativity. Tell us in the comments which shortcut was a revelation for you, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Setting up keyboard shortcuts. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Open the keyboard shortcut settings. In the top menu, go to Edit Keyboard Shortcuts, or use the Universal Keyboard Shortcut, Windows, Alt plus Shift plus Control plus K, Mac OS, Alt plus Shift plus Command plus K, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Select the category to change. In the Shortcuts for drop-down list, select the area where you want to change the keys, application menus, the main program menu, file, edit, image, etc. Panel menus, context menus for sidebars, e.g. the layers or actions panels. Tools, hotkeys for the toolbar, brush, pen, eraser, etc. Task spaces, settings for selected workspaces, content-aware fill, select, and mask. 1, 2. 3. Change or add a shortcut. Expand the desired list and click on the function or tool row. Click in an empty field, or on the old shortcut, in the shortcut column. Press the new shortcut on your keyboard, for example, hold down Ctrl/CMD or just the letter for tools. Note, if the shortcut is already taken, Photoshop will display a warning at the bottom of the window. You can click Accept and take the shortcut from the old function, or Undo changes, undo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Save your changes. To avoid losing the default set, click the floppy disk icon with an arrow, create a new set based on the current set of shortcuts, at the top of the window. Enter a name for your preset and click Save. Click OK to close the window and apply the settings.